Welcome to the unboxing of the Bose Sleepbuds 2. So the Bose Sleepbuds 2 is a set of sleeping earphones which you can use to reduce some of that external noise which you might be getting when you are trying to get a good night's sleep. In my particular use case, I am basically trying to get rid of some of the external disturbances due to where my bed is positioned. And while I've never used this kind of a sleeping aid before, I have been following this space for the last couple of years. The Sleepbuds 2 is the second incarnation from Bose. The first one had some issues, I believe, with the build quality and the battery life. So the version 2 has supposed to have addressed those issues, and I'm quite looking forward to seeing how this actually works. Now, this will need to be paired with a phone for you to get started. So before we do that, let's uh, open this box up and see what's inside of it. So I had a look at some of the other brands which try and create similar products. There was one called iMore, or maybe it's called One More. There is the Amazfit ZenBuds as well. More on that a bit later. So as you can see, it's a nice steelish kind of box. Just got to remove these stickers, and then we can sort of get into what's inside the box. Very solid construction from Bose, as always. Um, and what they're really good at is obviously the industrial design, USB-C connection ports, which these days I think everything should be USB-C. You can sort of slide open the lid, and once you slide it open, you can see the two earbuds there. They've got a magnetic kind of placeholder underneath the earbuds, so they sort of stay in place, and that's how they also get charged. There are some light indicators as well within the box near each of the earbuds. As we go into the actual box, we can see that there are some cables, some instruction manuals, and some other earbuds as well. There's another small size one and a large size one. So what the earbud comes with is the medium size. So depending on your earlobes and what the fit is inside of it, you should change this out. And I strongly recommend that you do, to make sure that you've got the most perfect fit. Since these earbuds don't have active noise cancellation, the passive noise cancellation is going to be largely driven by the snug fit which these earbuds are going to give you deep into your canal. So the instruction manual, nothing great about it. It's basically just tells you to scan the QR code and then to download the app from the Play Store. Now, depending on whether you've got an Android device or an Apple device, you should sort of go into the Play Store or the App Store and then look for the Bose Sleep Buds application. Inside the box, there isn't anything else. I think that's about it. So just going to put everything else back, and so that we can focus on the earbuds and start to set it up and get it paired up with the mobile phone. So I'm just going to do a quick search on the Apple Store, Apple App Store for the Bose Sleep Buds, and then I'm going to download the app. And then once that's done, sort of initiate the setup process to get the buds identified. You've got to sort of accept the terms and conditions. No registration or creation of account required, which is good. I hate it when they, force you to register. Yeah, so just make sure that the buds have already been charged in for at least 5 to 6 hours. You can, of course, pair it up with the existing charge just to get started. And once you take off the earbuds and then start the pairing process, it's quite straightforward. It will sort of look for your buds. You do need to keep the buds outside of the box, and Once that pairing is done, then what the software will do is it'll sort of ask you to potentially also update the app software or even the firmware within the earbuds. And this is quite a straightforward process. It should take you about 5 to 10 minutes or so. I mean, the upload into the earbuds is not very fast. So yeah, I think once you do the software upload, then you can just sort of just follow through the remaining steps within the setup process and just complete the instructions as they come onto the screen. It's very important to get a good fit of the earbuds into your earlobes, like I said. And so, while it came with the medium sized buds, silicone in it, I changed it rather to the larger one. The feeling of this earbuds is really soft. I have, after recording this video, had the opportunity to use this for a few nights, and I can roll over on the bed, have my ears on my pillow, and it's absolutely a delight. And it's so comfortable. Once you do the setup, you will have to go back into the app and then select the sounds which you want to play. So there's a whole bunch of songs you can do. These are all basically, audio sound effects, nature sounds, things such as that. You can't use these buds to play music from Spotify or Tidal. You're limited to whatever Bose has within their music catalog. So yeah, so if you're looking to download any new songs or tunes from the Bose catalog, you need to do this before you go to bed. So the music actually is stored within your earbuds, so it doesn't actually stream from the phone to the earbuds. So all you need to do is basically set it up in terms of how many hours you want the music to play, and you can also set a alarm for the earbuds to wake you up. And yeah, so you can have a maximum of about 8 hours playtime, and the case by itself has a few charges in there. So thanks for watching.